Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start inside Google Forms, open the form you want, and locate the exact place for the link. Once done, choose whether the link belongs in a question, a description, or at the top of a section. This affects visibility and click rate. You do this now because placement determines context. A description is explanatory, a question can require action, and a section header guides flow. Make sure to plan intent before adding the URL so the link behaves the way you expect. Now paste the link into the chosen field, the question text, description, or the section description. Once pasted, create anchor text to keep the form tidy, type readable text, highlight it, and use the link icon to attach the URL. This improves clarity and trust. If you need prominence, add an image or a section title, then place the URL in its description. Remember, clear anchor text increases click-through, while raw URLs look cluttered and reduce form completion. Finish by previewing the form and clicking the link like a respondent. This verifies destination, permissions, and mobile behavior. Once satisfied, save changes and share the form. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Ensure the URL uses HTTPS, verify the target's share permissions, and recopy the exact address. Also, make sure the link isn't blocked by browser extensions or corporate filters. Finally, test on another device or incognito mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.